Hey guys, it's Sammi121 and welcome to this thing I'm doing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pickled beets and pennied carrots according to my great-grandmother's recipe. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to make my great-grandmother Eileen's pickled beets and pennied carrots. And into the video. Alright, so the first step in making the pickled beets is to bring to a boil for one serving. I am tripling this, remember that. So in this pot, to bring to a boil, 3/4 cup vinegar. Well, this is 3 times 3/4 cup of vinegar. So for you, this would just be 1. For you, what would be the 1/4 cup of beet water or beet juice, whatever. This is a lot. This really looks like a lot, but remember, I'm tripling the recipe. So this would be your 1 cup of sugar. We are going to bring that to a boil. So now we wait for that to boil, and while we are waiting for that to boil, we are going to go ahead and start cutting the onion. So you're gonna take 1 onion. Alright, well the other stuff already came to a boil, so now we're just gonna chop the onion and we're gonna, you know, chop, 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 all great, happy, and whatnot. So here we go. Alright guys, I have my jars ready to go. I've got all my beets drained, and it's 2 per thing. And you're gonna layer it with the onion. So you're gonna do like beet, onion, beet, onion, beet, onion, and however, until the thing is filled. So I have finished the 3 of them. And now we're gonna take that liquid that we had before, the vinegar, the sugar, and the beet juice, and we're just gonna fill them. And then we're just going to screw the lids on, which are really tight. Tight as can be. Alrighty, righty. So there you have it. These are the pickled beets. And voila, there you have it. And then it's good in a couple days. Just give it a couple days, throw it in the fridge, and you've got yourself some Eileen pickled beets. Off to the pennied carrots. Measured everything out for the next recipe. So this should be 6 pounds of peeled carrots. So the first thing we have to do is we now have to slice them, which I have a mandolin, so I could do that. I'll see you when we're ready to put this all together. So for 1 jar, you need a can of tomato soup, but again, I am tripling the recipe, so I will need to add a lot more than that. My granny, when I would come over, my granny would always make me like tomato soup because it was my favorite. So she would give me tomato soup and she'd put a cheese sandwich at the bottom. And not until recently did I appreciate the sandwich at the bottom. I mean, now I eat it and it makes me feel close to my granny. So now I eat it how she had always tried to give it to me. Have a cup of vegetable oil. I don't have vegetable oil, so I'm using olive oil. I read online that it's okay. And I am doing a lot more than that. So that is what I'm adding now. Alright, and now, in a regular one, it would be 3/4 cup vinegar. I have a lot more than that. For you guys, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire. For me, 3. 1 teaspoon of mustard for you guys. 3 cups of sugar. Woo. So now we just mix that together. Pretty simple. I have combined all the ingredients in here. All of the ingredients being the soup, the vegetable oil, the sugar, the vinegar, the mustard, and the Worcestershire sauce, and the salt and pepper. Now we have the water boiling for the carrots. And now I'm just gonna pour all my carrots in there. Alright, I'm gonna do kind of like this because there's a lot. So that is gonna go ahead and cook until, alright, medium done, and then we're gonna rinse that in ice water. So medium done, ice water, and then the other mixture, we are going to do that until it is boiling. Alright, so the sauce is kind of boiling, and then the carrots are still doing their thing. But the next step is to make sure you, once the carrots are like medium done, then you're gonna put them in ice water, just like hard-boiled eggs. Ice water, stop the cooking, and then we pile it in the jar. So I just wanted to let you know that. Alright guys, so now we are going to go ahead and put the carrots and the onion and layer it all in there. So yeah, here we go. Alright guys. Now let's put the juice on there. Whoops. Alright, so here's what I've got. This is what I'm gonna do. Alright, my camera's gonna run out of space again, so thank you for watching. I'll do my outro later. Like I said, don't make a mistake like I did. It's a mess, it's all over the place. Do like these two, not like that one. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for, you know, my next video. And yeah, then you'll know when I make my next video. So